Want a stylish way to tie your scarf on your head? Look no further, my queens. So without your 3-layer ashoke material, you can achieve beautiful Headwrap styles that you can wear to your next party and you will look so elegant. You can see I created 3 folds, which you can call a plate, in the front base of this gele material in the division of 40-60, which means one hand is longer than the other, and I cross it at the back and arrange it in a rough pleated form around the perimeter of my head on the right side. And then I want you to focus your eye to how I am creating that rough pleat again on the left side, and then I bring it up like this in the center of my head and tie a knot. See how I tie it? And then I made that short and to be inside without pulling it all the way through because it's way snuggy on my head. And then the longer hand, I create a rough pleat, and then I take it on top of the knotted part at the base, and then I tuck it in on each side. If yours is not tucking in, you can use a pin to hold it in place. And as you can see, I have just achieved a very simple Headwrap gele style that you can rock to your next Owambe party. Isn't this beautiful and yet simple to achieve without you sweating? Under 2 minutes, my queens. Look at what the back looks like. Very easy, very beautiful. Will you be giving this a try? This is going to be the very first style or the very first way you can achieve a Headwrap style. Let's try a different way. So the one on top, I remove it from each stockings and I roll it inward like this around that knotted part. But this time around, I'm going to be using a pin on each side to secure my fold or roll in like this. And once you secure it snugly on your head like this, you see, looks so snuggy and firm without touching my head. It's just in the fabric. The pin is just holding the fabrics together. And I repeat the same thing on the right side, and here you have your style number 2. Will you be rocking the first style or the second style? Yes, they are all both beautiful but unique in their own way, and this is our style number 2. Go. If you like simple gele styles, you will love the super simple Headwrap gele style for your next Owambe party, my queens. Take your gele material from front to back, cross it at the back, bring it forward, tie a single knot, and tie the second knot in the center like this. And guess what? Open up the leftover and then pull it open to form like an umbrella shape, just small one, and tuck in the excess at the back, and then connect the center together with a pin, and then arrange it to frame your face. And that's it. You have a super simple and yet beautiful Headwrap gele style that you can rock to your next Owambe party. Will you be giving this a try? And don't forget to share this tutorial with somebody. Thank you for watching African Beautiful Fashion and Lifestyle.